Common mistakes in English. Wrong, correct. I have a good news for you. I have good news for you. There is no place in the hall. There is no room in the hall. It was a tough decision to make. It was a tough decision to make. Wrong, correct. It's not good to go to the bed late. It's not good to go to bed late. We came by the 4:30 o'clock train. We came by the 4:30 train. You cannot set a foot in this house. You cannot set foot in this house. He left with his belonging luggage. He left with his luggage. Wrong, correct. He sent a word that he would come. He sent word that he would come. We learn not at the school but in life. We learn not at school but in life. I have read the Shakespeare's King Lear. I have read Shakespeare's King Lear. Worry kills more the man than works. Worry kills more men than works. Wrong, correct. He is Daniel in judgment. He is a Daniel in judgment. The clock has struck 7 hours. The clock has struck 7.